So here we are, we're in Cincinnati, and this is one of my Kong Armor lifetime deck armor systems. 7 years of deck protection here on this huge, we call this the double deck. It's a deck down there, and it comes up here to a deck system that's up here. We recently did annual cleaning here, and a few little spot touch-ups to keep the coating system healthy and protecting the structure. Gonna look brand new, like it was brand newly coated and just extravagantly gorgeous like day one? No, that's not the goal. The goal with permanent deck protection, which is what Kong Armor is. Don't ever confuse Kong Armor with a simple deck painting or deck staining outfit. A deck painting, deck staining contractor, local painter, this type of thing. They paint things for a living. At Kong Armor, the difference is we protect decks for life for a living. That's the difference, okay? Industrial, look how beautiful down through here. This is a 7-year-old coating system, right? Have a little bit of dirt and stuff on it, yeah, right? Have some bird poop over there, yeah, right? This is an industrial elastomer that comes with something very, very powerful. The Kong Armor Lifetime Deck Armor System comes with something very, very powerful. A local lifetime service promise to stave off dilapidation. That's why you guys here in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana, that's why you guys have to keep constantly repainting your decks and restaining them. Too thin of a coating, and then you have no tool, no feature, no nothing to stave off dilapidation besides your own care, and you're never going to do it, right? The Lifetime Deck Armor System comes with professional cleaning for life. It comes with touch-up for life, what we call a regeneration capable coating system. So it's one and done. You coat your deck once. From there, the only thing you ever have to do is simple washing. Spot touch-ups is needed, right? And that's so powerful. It's absurdly powerful, because what it does is it creates a situation where these deck owners, they don't ever have to completely paint, stain, refinish their deck system again. And as the years go on and start piling up, and they avoid that, the average for decks that see all 4 seasons, like decks in Cincinnati, the need is every 3 years. So every 3 years, as they avoid that, this family has avoided over 2 complete refinishing cycles. The savings start piling up, right? They never have to replace and switch to composite and give away all the equity in their home, which they're tricking you guys up and getting a lot of you to do that now for no reasons. Your decks are perfectly fine. They need a few boards swapped out, and you need an industrial grade protection. Okay, quit letting people scam you, taking your life savings and all the earnings and stuff that you've acquired through all your hard work. Don't let people do that to you, okay? They don't ever face that, then they don't ever face those refinishing cycles. And the savings are just massive. Kong, implemented on any deck system here in Cincinnati, North Kentucky, Southeast Indiana, pays for itself day one, and usually pays for itself and delivers between 3 and 10 times immediate profit be a loss of equity. So it returns in a return on investment day one. Okay, pays for itself plus return on investment. Okay, and then those years tick on and you get these little dividend savings. And they're not so little because we're in hyperinflation, right? That's what a lot of people don't realize. A lot of people tell me, you know, oh, it ain't gonna be nothing for me to paint or stain my deck here in 5 years. It's gonna be a few, no, it's gonna be a few grand. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. When I first started doing this, we were doing decks for like $1,500. Okay, big decks, big giant deck. So occasionally $2 grand, something like that. Okay, we're up now. We're about 10 years later. We're doing decks between 10 and 20 grand. Okay, big decks like this back here, almost always over 15 grand to restore and coat. Granted, we do a little bit better work and we're selling a higher end system. But 5-10 years from now, the prices that you guys have access to now to take care of your decks, whew, they're gone. It's going to be double, it's going to be triple, maybe even quadruple or more. And that's why the lifetime coating system, its lifetime service promise to stave off dilapidation and keep the deck protected and healthy, is so powerful. The most powerful feature in deck protection right now. And remember, that's what Kong Armor does. We protect decks for life. Don't ever confuse us for a simple deck painting or deck staining outfit. Don't ever make that mistake. Here at Kong Armor, we're about lifetime deck armor. Over 300 local tri-state, Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana decks, just like this one, that have been protected between 3 and 12 years on our resume, that are healthy, active, year over year, right? The most powerful deck protection system in the world. That's what you're talking about. Unless you can bring forward some other deck coating system that has that, you're talking, and it sounds crazy to say it and everybody rolls their eyes, but unless you can bring forward something else, that's it. That's ball game. It is what it is. KongArmor.com.